Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I am going to implement a half adder circuit using NOR gates. First of all, I will drive half adder equation for NOR logic, and then I will draw a circuit in circuit board simulator. So let's get started. This is a half adder and it is made up of an XOR gate and AND gate. This is the truth table, and here is its sum equation, that is A XOR B. I can rewrite this equation in terms of basic logic gate, that is AND gate, OR gate, and NOT gate. So here is the first two steps. In the next step, I will add two terms, A into A bar and B into B bar, which is equal to 0. Now in the next step, I will take common A from first term and B from second term. Simplify with the help of simple algebra rules. We get S is equal to A plus B into A bar plus B bar. Now complementing twice. After this step, we apply De Morgan's law. This is the desired equation and it has only NOR gates. For carry, we'll do like this. I hope you understand. Now let's implement half adder circuit in circuit board simulator. Place 5 NOR gates, 2 inputs and 2 outputs. So here are the 5 NOR gates. There are 2 inputs, A and B. Now let's start connecting wires. Connect it like this, and it is connected to B. This is B complement, and from there we get A complement. It will connect to this. Similarly, this is the carry output, place 2 output. The first one is the carry and this is sum. Let's label it. This is carry. Now toggling input switches, we will get the output. When there is 0 0, carry is 0 and sum is 0. When there is 0 1, sum is 1, carry is 0. Similarly, when 1 0, sum is 1, carry is 0. When both inputs are 1, carry goes high while sum goes low. Thanks for watching.